Memory power is important as it allows us to retain and recall information, which is essential for learning, problem solving, and decision making, and it also helps to shape our identity and personal experiences. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is not only good for your body but also for your brain. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, which helps to improve cognitive function and memory. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can negatively affect your memory and cognitive function. It's important to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to allow your brain to consolidate memories and process information. Eat a healthy diet. A well-balanced diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help improve your memory. Certain nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and B vitamins have been shown to be particularly beneficial for brain health. Stay mentally active. Engage in activities that challenge your brain, such as reading, puzzles, or learning a new skill. These activities help to keep your brain sharp and improve memory function. Manage stress. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on memory and cognitive function. It's important to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing, or exercise. Stay socially active. Social interaction is important for overall brain health and memory function. Staying socially active can help to reduce the risk of cognitive decline and improve memory function. Use memory aids. If you find yourself struggling to remember things, consider using memory aids such as calendars, reminder notes, or smartphone apps. These tools can help to keep you organized and on track, which can improve memory function. In conclusion, keeping our memory sharp and healthy is essential for our overall well-being and cognitive function. By incorporating regular exercise, a healthy diet, mental stimulation, stress management, social engagement, and memory aids into our daily routine, we can improve our memory power and preserve it as we age. With a sharp memory, we can learn, grow, and thrive throughout our lives.